In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a SharePoint FAQ page using Copilot for Microsoft 365. We're going to walk through a simple process that helps you build a useful, polished FAQ page in just a few minutes. This is a great way to give your team or site visitors quick answers to common questions without having to write everything from scratch. Start by opening the SharePoint site where you want to add your new FAQ page. Make sure you're in the correct site before you begin, since this is where the page will be created and published. Once you're there, go to the top left of the screen, click the New button, and then choose Page from the drop-down menu. This opens the page creation options and lets you start building a new page directly inside your SharePoint site. Next, choose a blank template for a fresh start and then click Create Page. Using this blank page gives you full control over the layout and makes it easier to shape the FAQ exactly the way you want. After the page opens, click the Copilot icon in the top toolbar. This will open the AI assistant on the right side of your screen. Copilot can help you generate content quickly, which is especially useful if you already know the topic of your FAQ but want help organizing the questions and answers. In the Copilot panel, type a prompt asking it to generate a list of frequently asked questions and answers for your specific topic, then press Enter. Try to be as clear as possible in your request so the results are more relevant and useful for your audience. Copilot will then automatically add text to your page layout. Take a moment to review what it creates. This is important because you'll want to make sure the information is accurate, clear, and appropriate for the people who will be reading it. If needed, continue using the Copilot chat to refine the content, adjust the tone, or add additional questions. This is a helpful way to make the FAQ sound more formal, more friendly, or more tailored to your organization's needs. Once the content looks good, format your questions using collapsible sections or text blocks so the page is easy for users to navigate. A clean structure makes the FAQ more readable and helps visitors find answers faster. When everything is ready, click Publish in the top right corner to make your new FAQ page live for your site visitors. And that's it. You now know how to build a helpful FAQ page in just a few minutes using Copilot for Microsoft 365 and SharePoint.